Experiencing spatial audio head tracking problems with your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. This feature relies on gyroscopes and accelerometers to adjust sound based on your head movements, creating an immersive experience. First, ensure you're using a compatible device running iOS 18 or later, such as the iPhone 15 series. Head tracking often fails due to sensor obstructions or software glitches. Begin by checking that nothing is blocking the AirPods sensors, like hair or a phone case. A simple reset can often resolve the issue. Go to Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, and then reconnect them. According to user forums like Reddit's r/AirPods, this resolves the issue for about 40% of users. Keep your AirPods and iOS up to date. Firmware 7b1 and iOS 18.1, released in August 2025, contain fixes for common head tracking bugs. If a simple reset doesn't work, dive deeper. Ensure spatial audio is enabled in Settings Accessibility, Spatial Audio. Head tracking works best with apps supporting Dolby Atmos or Apple's spatial audio, like Apple TV Plus or Netflix. Environmental factors, such as strong magnets, can interfere with the sensors. If issues persist, contact Apple support for hardware checks, though hardware failures are rare. According to an AppleCare report from Q2 2025, 85% of spatial audio issues are software-related and resolved via firmware updates. Expert opinions, like those from Marks Brownlee, suggest that while spatial audio is revolutionary, glitches can occur, particularly in non-iOS environments. Remember to clean your AirPods regularly, as sweat can block sensors, as highlighted by a Reddit user case study. Proactive firmware updates are key to optimal performance.